What's up, creators? It's Curtis, and in this video, this is a part 2 to the video I released yesterday, which basically showed you how to create and sell personalized mugs on Etsy using MyDesigns. So in that video, if you didn't watch it, I do recommend you watch it because it's a part 2. But in that video, I showed you how to basically, we were looking at a best-selling product on Etsy, a mug. Very simple use case of a text-based design, easy to recreate. Now what I want to do is actually show you how to create that same general design, but with multiple ideas. So basically scale it out to different ideas, different niches, etc. So we'll do that very easily. I won't take too much time, but basically I'll just jump right into it. So I'm over here on the MyDesigns dashboard, as you can see here, and I got this particular design opened up. So let me just open up so you can view it. This is the one we recreated yesterday. This was built in the Canvas editor in MyDesigns, meaning it's personalizable on Etsy and also on our orders page in MyDesigns when orders come in, so which is really cool. So with that being said, I'm going to actually just screenshot this. I'm going to Control P, which is I'm using a tool called Lightshot. I'm going to screenshot this design and just save it. I'll just name it Test. And now I want to go over to ChatGPT and actually have it analyze this design and give us different variations and different ideas. So let's go right over to ChatGPT, which I have here. So I'm going to actually grab that design from my folder, attach it here. This does require a ChatGPT Pro plan or Plus plan, whatever they're called, but it's really worth it if you use it a lot. So I'm going to grab some text I already used earlier. So can you analyze this graphic for a mug and give me other ideas / variations that are similar, keep the same structure and layout? So let's just hit enter. So basically ChatGPT will analyze this design and give us variations and different ideas that we can go over to MyDesigns, and I'll show you how to recreate those. So let's see what it comes up with here. All right, so the ideas are coming. So we got chaos coordinator, which I've seen before, so that's a great idea. And you can see it's keeping to the general idea, this general structure of this original design, which is what we want because we already had the design created. Now I want to show you how to create multiple variations with that same general design structure. So chaos coordinator, magician to motivation, deadline dominator. These are pretty funny. And if you look at this, it's still got the noun and the custom name. Whoop, it's moving, but that's what you're going to personalize, which is great. An organizational guru who turns disarray into order with a wave of a hand. So these are great. You know, they're funny. That's what we're after. Usually like office mugs for coworkers, etc. Different gifts, different ways you can gift it. But you can see there's quite a few different ideas here. Now this looks good. I'll just go with a few of these, but you can tell ChatGPT to continue generating ideas and it'll keep giving you more and more ideas. But I think this is good enough for the video. So as you can see, I'm going to go with chaos coordinator. Let's go with Zen zone manager. Deadline dominator. We'll probably go with a couple of these and just recreate them. So I'm going to take this and just move it over to my other screen. And from there, let's go back over here. So now I got this over on my other screen just so you understand where I'm getting this text from. I'm going to go with that chaos coordinator one first. So this design is already created. And if you remember, we saved it as an editable design. So I'm on the listings page here in MyDesigns. I can click this little icon to open this up. It's already built for 11-ounce mug, so it's perfect. It's ready to go. So I'm just going to take some data. Let's go over here. Let's change this to chaos. And let's go coordinator. And let's make sure these are lined up just like that. Looks good. So we got the chaos coordinator. Again, this isn't changing. We want this custom name to stay here because this is going to be a personalizable mug on Etsy that the customer can input someone's name and have it printed on the mug. So I'm going to go grab the other details here and just put them in here so I can show you how this works. Let's just copy paste over that. Now that's a little bit long. What I could do is just extend that. That works. Just extend the field here for the text. And let's grab that second layer of text and put it in here. Again, that's a little bit long, so let's just extend it a bit. This one might be too much text. That might be pushing a little too far. So what I'm going to actually do on both of these is just move them down to like 55 on the size here. That looks a lot better. And we'll probably do that down here too, just to keep it similar. Now, again, if you look at this, it also has the see also Wizard of Whimsy or Captain of Calm. So we'll grab that. And what I'm doing is pasting it into my search bar here just because I paste it there and then copy it again. That way it gets rid of any unseen formatting issues if you're wondering why I keep doing that. So let's put this here. Make it a bit bigger. This can also go this way a bit. And that's too big, so I'm going to actually move that down to probably 50. Still might be just a little bit too big. So 45. For some reason, that is not adjusting. I'm just going to go wizard here, Captain Calm. That should do. And I think that looks good. So basically we just recreated that. Now obviously we want it to print over here. So instead of, you know, just redoing all that, I'm just going to delete that. And let's copy this, Control V. So Control C, Control V to copy paste. And I'm going to move this over here, make sure it matches up just like that. And we're good to go. So now we have a chaos coordinator variation of the original design. You already know that's a good design. It's already proven to be a bestseller in terms of the structure, the simplicity, and that being a funny gift. Now let's go ahead and if this looks good, you can actually go and just go like this, save the collection. Now I could actually save this to the same listing if I wanted to and have multiple design variations that the customer can choose on one listing. But instead, I'm going to save it as separate listings because in the future, I'll make a video on how to do that. But today, we'll keep it separate. So I'm just going to say chaos coordinator, and let's go new listing and main file slot. And again, you always want to save this as editable because you're going to personalize this on the orders page. So let's go ahead and create new listing and give that a moment to create it. You should get a notification when it's done. And then there you go. So that's done. So now what I can do, instead of even like exiting this, I can just go down this list. I'm going to build one more while I'm on this video. We will do the deadline dominator. So let's go ahead and just do that. Deadline dominator. All right. Again, keeping everything here the same. Now let's grab some of this text. Make sure I only select the stuff I want to replace. That looks good. So a time-bending professional who meets deadlines before they even exist. You see these are pretty funny. And the next one, a strategic planner who laughs in the face of ticking clocks and calendars. Good thing with humor is it tends to sell very well, especially as a gift. All right, so a strategic planner who laughs in the face of ticking clocks and calendars. Now we want to get the see also part updated. Sultan of Speed, Time Lord, that's what we have here from ChatGPT. So let's go ahead and just put that in. And let's make this just a bit smaller. I don't know what I just did. Oops, I didn't not mean to exit that. Be careful doing that. I hit escape, but I'm just going to have to go back and redo this real quick. So let's go here. All right, deadline dominator. We'll just redo this real quick. But you can see how quick this is. Oops, I did not spell that right. All right, a time-bending professional who meets deadlines before they even exist. Let's put that here. Perfect. A strategic planner who laughs in the face of ticking clocks and calendars. That's going here. And the last part, Sultan of Speed and Time Lord. Let's just... that should do. Actually make that just a bit smaller. And that's good to go. So again, I'm going to delete this one on the right. We'll just go select all this. Control C, Control V, copy paste. And let's move over here to make sure we align it properly. And that should be good. So again, let's just go save to collection. We go deadline, dominator in this case, new listing, main file, as editable always, create new listing. And just like that, we created two new variations. Now I could go through this full list on ChatGPT, but the point of this video is to show you how to come up with variations and ideas. So you're not just copying people directly. Come up with your own ideas, come up with your own unique variations, but you can take something that is proven to work and replicate it and do it in your own way. That's always where you're going to see the most success. So now you can see we got the deadline dominator here and we got the chaos coordinator here. Now we already have this one published, so I'm going to uncheck that. But again, just to go over how easy this is to generate listing data, this is a mug, so I'm going to go to Vision AI. It's one of my favorite features in my designs lately. Change this to mug. I'm going to generate title, descriptions, tags, and product features. We're going to change that to the 11-ounce SM mug. That's what we did in yesterday's video. And just click Generate Listing so it can show you. Our AI here at MyDesigns will actually analyze this print file for a mug and generate titles, descriptions, and tags that are optimized for Etsy. So you see how quickly we just generated that. So let's go over it real quick. So the title for this Deadline Dominator, Personalized Deadline Dominator Mug, Custom Name, Time Lord, Coffee Cup. So it's getting some of the text from the design, right? Unique gift for professionals, office worker present. Now if we come over to the tags, really important for Etsy. Custom Name Mug, that one's great. Deadline Mug, Professional Gift, Coffee Cup. Personalized mug, unique office gift, Time Lord present. The Time Lord stuff probably doesn't make a lot of sense. So if I was going to go publish these, I'd remove that and add some more relevant tags. But you can see for the most part, coworker gift, funny coffee mug, all of these tags, -1 or 2 are fantastic. The title, again, I'd probably get rid of Time Lord and add something else there. But let's look at the description real quick. So start your day with a dose Start your day with a dose of motivation using this unique Deadline Dominator mug, personalized with your very own custom name. The perfect gift for the time binders in your life. This mug is ideal for colleagues, professionals, and anyone who thrives on meeting deadlines. Embrace your inner sultan of speed and enjoy your favorite beverage in style. Ideal for home or office use, this mug is not only a functional drinkware item, but also an amusing conversation starter. It's dishwasher microwave safe, ensuring your quote and name stay intact. That is a fantastic description. It's hard to write something that good, especially that quickly. And again, you got the product features here. If you were to sell this on the 11 ounce and the 15 ounce, what I'd do is probably go to the MyDesigns product catalog and grab the 15 ounce product features and add them to the bottom too. But in this case, it's good to go. Let's check out the Chaos Coordinator to see what this one looks like. So Chaos Coordinator mug, custom name coffee cup, personalized gift for boss, office humor, desk accessory, funny manager, present idea. Then over to the tags, custom name mug, Chaos Coordinator. Funny office mug, personalized gift, boss coffee cup, desk accessory, human manager gift, Wizard of Calm. See, again, that's probably one of those things that I wouldn't necessarily put in here unless it was actually being searched on Etsy, which I doubt it is. And a Pandemonium handler, so I'd probably delete those 2 tags and add my own. But organizational guru, teacup personalized, work chaos humor, unique boss gift. Again, most of these are fantastic. You see that this gets us 90-95% of the way there. You go tweak this, generate mockups, go through our publishing process, which I showed in the first video. And you can have this live on Etsy in seconds or minutes. And then again, when an order comes in, if you check personalize this product when you're publishing it through MyDesigns, you can personalize it right on the orders page in MyDesigns, just like you do here. You could come into this particular design and add the customer's name right here for both of these, then click approve and send it off to the printer. It's that easy. It's extremely easy. So that's what I wanted to cover in this video, basically showing a best-selling design, how you can take that, very easily generate variations using AI, different ideas and variations of the particular design, put it into MyDesigns, generate your listing data quickly, then go publish it in bulk. So that's it for this video. If you have questions, let me know. I'll see you in the next one.